my God, Jenny! Is that what I think it is? Are you pregnant? Or is it a COVID test? I never can tell. It's a pregnancy test, Chloe. And yes, I'm pregnant. And now I've just been fired. What? When? How? Where? Why? As an employment law expert, self-certified, this is literally my specialist subject. I told my manager Emma this morning that I was pregnant, and then an hour later, she fired me for performance issues. Performance issues, pregnancy, morning, Emma. Did she do jazz hands when she fired you? This is actually an important legal question. What? No, she didn't do jazz hands. That's good, because in Portugal, if they do jazz hands, then you can't claim anything. I read that on Reddit. Now, how long have you worked here? 3 months. That's perfect. Did you know that now you're pregnant, you're legally allowed to eat people's food out of the office fridge? I really don't think that... And they have to let you bring your baby to important meetings until they're 18. I saw this on TikTok. They just prop them up in the corner with a pile of spreadsheets or something. But this firing thing, it's proper illegal, like mega illegal, like more illegal than the time I tried to claim my cat was a dependent on my taxes. Really? Pregnancy in the legal profession is what we call a protected characteristic. I learned that from my neighbour's cousin who once thought about being a lawyer but is now a DJ. They can't fire you for being pregnant, even if you've only worked here for 3 minutes. This is automatic unfair dismissal and discrimination. But they're saying it's about performance. Yeah, classic cover-up situation. It's a bit like when I say I'm working from home, but actually I'm just watching Love Island. Quick question. Did you tell Emma that you were pregnant, like in writing or a text message or interpretive dance? Yes, I emailed her this morning before our meeting. Yes, we've got them. It's like gold dust in employment law, pure gold dust. You were sacked an hour after you announced you were pregnant. That's what we legal eagles like to call the smoking gun. Or is that Poirot? No, I am right this time. You need to appeal the decision, raise a grievance and contact ACAS. They're like the A-team for employment law problems. Wow, Chloe, that actually sounds like pretty good advice. Thanks. I know, I surprise myself sometimes. Like the time I accidentally gave someone the right directions to Birmingham. Here's an ACAS leaflet. I always have them to hand, you know, just in case. Oh, and Jenny, in Norway, they actually have to give your baby a middle management position once they turn 5. Just an FYI.